Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can use Countif function in Excel, how you can use Countif formulas in Excel. So before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment below. So without time wasting, let's start with the video. So guys, you can see I am on my Excel sheet, and here I have created some data to show you how you can use the if counting formulas in many situations. So in my case I have data like month data and sales data, month wise sales data. Like you can see, this is a month, January to December, and we have here sales like 61, 65, and this is achieved employee name, this is employee name. So here I'm going to show you how you can use county formula to find equal to 60. Okay, and how you can find equal above to 60 by using county formula, and how you can find or search the name of particular month. So let's start with the video. First I'm going to show you how you can find equal one. So just type formulas. By initially you have to click equal sign, that indication to X. I'm going to use formulas. So type count if. Now click and on tab, just formula will be open. Now we have to select the rows or column where the data uh, has stored. So here in my case I have B, so I select the, now give the comma, and now you have to type 60, close the bracket, and you can see equal 60. I have two, this one and this one. Okay, so it is manually, I have typed manually 60. You can see I have manual 60. Type here manual 60. If you want to do this dynamic, you want to update it manually. If I change here like 70, it will be not change. Okay, it is only show 2 because I have mentioned here 60 by manually. Okay, so here you have to, what you can do, you can, for auto you have to select the row of this. Okay, 60. So in future if I changes anything here, if I changes like 15, so you can see 15 also 2, I have 15 15, and if I changes like 98, the number has been changed. Okay, so let's go on my another situation. Like I'm going to find the greater to 60, greater by 60. So same, if you are using count if formula, use the count if formula and select the same, the data, like now send the equal and get the greater than mark like this in double comma, sorry, and you have to type number manually, or you can select the cell like G3, in my case G3. Okay, and you can select G3 and complete the comma. So you can find above 60 we have 6 number. So if I select 15, so we have, if I enter 15 here, we have 10 numbers of above 15. Okay, so another situation, if you want to find particular name or month or particular content by using if count if formula. So if I, in my situation, I'm going to find the January month. Okay, so same, you have to type equal sign, type count if, enter the tab. Now you have to select the data where you want to find. So in this case I am going to select all data, and now the enter, and you can enter manually like January in double comma, enter the manually anything which you want to find, and just close the comma, and you can find January 1. Okay, if I copy the January 2 time, you can see it is changed 2 time. If I copy this 4 time, 3 time, 4 time, it will be changed here. And as I show you above, if you can do this as auto, just delete this and select your cell and click. And if you type here may, you can find may. If you have may double, that it will be change 0. Okay, I delete it. If I find copy may double, so it will be show you 2, and I have to change from here, so it will be auto update here. So that is how you can use Countif formula or function in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.